Want to know how to fix the security error in Messenger on Android? This usually happens because of login issues or app glitches. In this video, I'll quickly show you a few simple steps to get rid of it. Let's get started. Solution 1. Log out and log back in from the Facebook app. Open the Facebook app, log out of your account, log back in. Now open Messenger. This refresh often clears the security error. Solution 2. Clear Messenger cache and data. Long press the Messenger app, tap the eye icon or app info, go to storage, tap clear cache, then clear data. Solution 3. Reinstall Messenger. Long press the Messenger icon and uninstall it. Restart your phone. Go to the Play Store, reinstall Messenger, and log in back. And that's it. That should fix the Messenger security error on Android. If none of these work, try changing your Facebook password or contact Facebook support for more help. If this helped you out, like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.